Ever feel like your money disappears faster than a magician's rabbit? You're not alone. Most of us struggle to track spending and keep budgets on point. That's where budgeting apps come in, like pocketguard. But with a free version and a paid plus option with a lifetime fee, is pocketguard Plus really worth it? Let's dive in and see if this app can become your financial superhero. Free versus paid, unveiling the mystery. First things first, the free version of pocketguard offers a solid foundation for budgeting beginners. It automatically tracks your spending, categorizes transactions, and even shows you how much spendable money you have left after bills. Plus, you get bill tracking and handy alerts for upcoming due dates. That's a lot of bang for your buck, or should I say, no buck. But what if you crave more control and financial insights? Here's where pocketguard Plus swoops in, cape and all. Plus Power UPS, the superhero's arsenal. The paid version unlocks a treasure trove of features designed to supercharge your budgeting. Here are some of the highlights. Bill Buster, tired of hidden fees and unnecessary subscriptions? Plus identifies recurring bills and helps you cancel the ones silently draining your wallet. It's like having a Hawkeye for sneaky expenses. Budgeting Boss, free pocketguard offers the basic budgeting, but Plus lets you create custom categories, set spending goals, and even track multiple cash accounts. This is perfect for those who like their finances meticulously organized. Future Forecasting, want a peek into your financial future? Plus offers bill forecasting, allowing you to see how much your upcoming bills will be. This helps you avoid nasty surprises and plan spending accordingly. Split Personality? Split transactions, sharing expenses with a roommate? Plus lets you effortlessly split transactions, making group budgeting a breeze. No more awkward money conversations. Goal Getter, saving for that dream vacation? Plus helps you track progress towards specific financial goals, keeping you motivated and on track. Is the upgrade worth your kryptonite, cash? Now, the million-dollar question, with these extra features, is the lifetime fee for Plus worth it? Here's how to decide. Budgeting beginner? If you're new to budgeting, the free version is a great place to start. It can help you develop healthy financial habits without any upfront cost. Power User Alert. Craving a more comprehensive budgeting experience? Plus offers a wealth of features that can save you money in the long run and help you achieve your financial goals faster. Commitment Phobe? The lifetime fee might feel daunting. But consider the cost compared to a yearly subscription. If you plan to use pocketguard long-term, Plus could be a cost-effective option. The verdict, it depends on your financial fortress. Ultimately, the decision depends on your individual needs and financial goals. The free version is a fantastic starting point, while Plus offers a more robust budgeting experience. Here's a quick tip, try the free version for a while. See how comfortable you are with the interface and features. If you find yourself craving more control, Plus might be the missing piece in your financial puzzle. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, keep track of your spending and remember, you are the hero of your financial story.